Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to find your Facebook profile user ID. Now, the first thing that we need to make sure is you're currently logged in to your Facebook account. And once that's done, you just need to click on to your profile to go to your profile page. Now, here in the search bar, you will be able to see your profile link. Copy your profile link and go to open another tab and search for lookup-id.com. And here it will ask you to paste your profile URL or the link and then click on lookup. After that, it will show you these codes. What you need to do is copy the code and let's make sure if this is correct. So what are we gonna do is go back to your Facebook and click on the search bar and put in facebook.com/the code. And if it will take you to your profile, then you have the correct user ID. And congratulations, you already know your Facebook profile user ID. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!